Hey guys, it's Riley again. So right now I'm in a Quadtrac, and what we're going to be doing is creating an implement. So I'll show you how I got here. We'll just click done and cancel. So let's say I want to make an implement. Say it's a digger. So we want to go into the main menu button right up here. From there, we want to click on implement. From here, we'll go to the drop down for implement and add new. And we'll just put like a 255 for a 255 Tiger meat. And then we'll scroll down to kind of fill everything that we want up in here. So that was an implement operation. Implement type, it's gonna be a field cultivator. We're not really pulling anything, so it doesn't really matter what we're doing here, it's just for show. And for model, we can just put 255 in there as well. And then we'll save that. Once that's done, an image will pop up in here. It'll mock up an image of what a 255 looks like, or kind of similar, close to what it should look like. And then after that, we have the ability to click on measurements. So we'll click on measurements, and we'll start putting our measurements for our bar distance. That's back from our drawbar hitch all the way back to the edge of the implement. I usually like to put 120 in there. We'll hit done. And we'll make the same for hitch to axle. This should be a little smaller. Let's put 100 in there. And you could choose between drawbar and three-point trailing, and rear three-point mounted right there. And then width. So width, let's do 30 feet. So 360. Right about 30 feet. Then if we wanted to add a skip or overlap into this to make it narrower or wider, we could do that right here. I always like to keep this off, then it doesn't confuse me. So from here, we're done with our implement. We can hit this X, and there it says 255 is populated right inside of there. Now we'll go back to our main run screen, and we can create a swath line. How we create a swath line is we click on this little S right here. We're on run screen 3 for default run screens. Then we'll click on heading, and then we can drag this compass around to wherever we want this heading to be pointing, or we can tap on it. But I really like the heading we're on, so let's just change the one to true north heading. There we go. That's how easy it is to make a swath. So one more thing before we hit our auto guidance button, we need to accept this safety information. You can get there by hitting this auto guidance engage button and clicking accept. So now we have the ability, see now it's blue, we have the ability to engage on a guidance line. So I'll start moving here. And you can see we're getting some stuff because it's a little cold out. We can increase our engine RPM. Alright, as soon as we're moving, I'll hit my auto steer engage button right here. And it beeped at us and it's green now. So now we're steering on that line. It's bringing us over that line. And that's how you engage on a line. If we wanted to create a regular AB line, we'd go into here, click on straight. We'd hit record. And then we'd hit auto, pressed A. So then whenever we want to press B, we'll press B here. And then we'll hit yes. And there it made us a new swath. And we're already auto engaged on that AB line we just made. Pretty much as simple as that. Just hit this button to engage, steer to disengage. And if we wanted to turn our monitor around so we're always following the tractor, we'll hit this button up here, and now we're always following the tractor. So our tractor is basically our map pivot. So as we turn, our map will turn instead of the map always facing true north. And how you do that is you click this little compass button, and now our compass essentially follows wherever our GPS antenna is pointing.